Aolemon is a professional beauty machine manufacturer that integrates R&D and manufacturing. Founded in 2020, we have nearly 300 employees, with a team of 40 dedicated to design, and R&D production facilities are located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen City, covering over 10,000 square meters and capable of producing over 200,000 per month. We manufacture a suite of beauty devices, including IPL hair removal, RF, EMS, and DPL beauty devices. Aolemon is ISO certified, holds a medical device license per FDA KGMP, and we have nearly 300 domestic and international patents. We provide OEM and ODM services and primarily export our products to Japan, North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia.